Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It's Jerry Ellen here. Today we have a very budget-friendly recipe that I used to make for the boys quite a bit after school, winter. Want to have something hearty in their bellies before they went out playing in the snow and whatnot, and my husband loves beans anyway. So enough talking, and let's get started. Today, I have in a pan here, I've been frying up that's 4 slices of bacon, and I chopped it up. Turn this back on. My smoke detector went off. Anywho, let's get started. In a frying pan here, 4 cut up pieces of bacon. I finely chopped up a small onion and a stalk of celery. I'm going to throw that in. Okay. And while that's sauteing, just to soften, my oven is preheated to 350. Here I have a half a cup of ketchup. You don't want to use ketchup, you can use tomato paste. So to the ketchup, I am putting 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and give that a little mix with my cute little whisker. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon, let me turn this down a little, put a teaspoon of garlic powder, optional. Give that a mix. Marietta, be a good doggy. And a half a cup of brown sugar. Excuse me, puppy. And 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3 of white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar if you want. Just going to let this sit aside. There you are. Now, this takes a bit of beans, and there's only 3 kinds in this here casserole. So this is a can of dark red kidney beans. Just going to rinse the can. And this is, how much? 28 ounces, so 796 mils. So all of it, like, you want a large amount, feed your family, I guess, and have seconds or leftovers. Well, at least we want a large amount. So all of the amounts of beans are going to be about the same. So, and now we have lima beans. Okay, I'll put an alternative to them below. Each can was 540 mils, 19 ounces. Okay, let these rinse. Okay. Let me give. This is good. Don't knock it till you try it, folks. It is a hearty meal. I'm putting in 2 cans of beans with pork. You can put pork and molasses or pork and tomato. My doggy wants to go out and sit on the step. Excuse me. So these are 14 ounces each. We're not going to drain these ones. We're just going to add that right to our casserole dish. You guys are going to be so happy. Love, love, love this. Okay, to finish, our vegetables are fairly soft and our bacon is pretty much done. It smells so good. This is great camping food too. Now I'm trying to dissolve the sugar, and it will dissolve as it's cooking, but I'm just trying to break it up. Mix it through. There we go. good thorough mix. Now we're uncovered in the oven for 50 minutes to an hour, 350 lower rack. Here we go. We're back. And it is bubbling hot. I'm just going to show it to you. Oh, I'm telling you, this is such a stick to your ribs meal. You know. That is good. All is well in your world. God bless you all. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.